What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu Benchmark Comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus against the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have the new Exynos 990 CPU versus the A13 Bionic, 12GB of RAM versus 4, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Can the Galaxy S20 Plus beat the iPhone 11 Pro Max? Let's find out in this video. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max finished first by over 1 minute. However, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus scored a little higher overall by just over 3,000 points. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro Max scored higher for the CPU, the Galaxy S20 Plus scored higher for the GPU and the memory, and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max scored higher on the UX. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.